Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new fashion video. Today I'm going to be unboxing lots of new gorgeous things from Mytheresa. I am working with Mytheresa on this video. It's a paid for collaboration. I'm very proud to be working on it. You may see a couple of other girls in fashion in the UK working on this exact same project. I'm very sorry if we're all posting on the same day. It's not been planned that way. I just have a feeling that a few of us might post today on the day you see this. So I'm sorry if that's the case, but I'm sure we've all picked very different things. Mytheresa is a brand that I've shopped at for years. They're based over in Germany, and I just find that their processes, like their delivery process, their returns process, are so simple, so easy. You can buy things, send things back super easily, so you don't have to worry about that kind of risk involved. But in terms of their stock, they always seem to buy the coolest, most trendiest, but also the most wearable, usable items, versatile pieces that anyone could really pair in their wardrobe. And that's why if I'm out and about and I see someone wearing something super cool from one of the kind of big name luxury brands, I'll know I can go to Mytheresa and most likely find it there. I just find that their buyers really have an incredible eye for like the it pieces, the things that are coming in. So it's always been a huge favourite of mine actually. So I was super proud when they asked me to work on this project. So Mytheresa gave me a gift voucher that I have bought some of these pieces with, and I have also added a lot of my own money to this. So I could bring you a more thorough overview of everything that I'm really loving right now on Mytheresa. Again, this is more of a discovery video. It's not a haul per se, although I may have called it that in the title. That is just for YouTube and the algorithm. But this is just a discovery video. It's an unboxing. It's me going through what I think are the main things right now out there on the retail stores that are really quite exciting to me. So without further ado, I'm going to get right into this. Absolutely loving these bright yellow boxes right now, and I have two of them filled to the brim. I haven't looked yet, so this is going to be unboxing together. Right, okay, I've also gone for a big mixture here of items that are in the kind of lower price categories for Mytheresa, and then a few other more high price items. I wanted to get a real range from top to bottom. So with spring coming up, I thought it was the perfect time to get looking at some sandals, and these felt so almost a bit Chanel to me with this tweed, multicoloured tweed. I really like these. These are actually ancient Greece. Oh my god. Ancient Greek sandals. Never owned a pair of sandals from this brand before, but I just thought they looked really comfortable. I love this tweed. This is really lovely quality actually. Big fan of these. I'll be leaving, of course, all the links to every single product in order of appearance down below in the description bar, so you can find everything super quickly. And of course, if you click through there, then you'll be able to find prices. I unfortunately don't have the prices right here with me right now, but they'll all be on the site, obviously, so you can go have a little peek. I have definitely got them too small. They are really sweet and they're actually really comfortable, but they're definitely too small. I need to size up probably. I'd probably go a full one size on these, maybe go for a 5, if not a 4.5. So maybe bear that in mind, maybe go a half size or a full size up. Quite a good find, I think. Could wear those out shopping with a pair of jeans, like turned up jeans would look super cute, or even just on holidays like white shorts. You could wear them more casual, or you could wear them a bit more dressed up, I think. Do you know what? I'm going to do all the shoes together because they're literally on this first box together. Now these ones I totally loved as soon as I saw these. I am just so in love with this Valentino logo at the moment. I kind of feel like this is making a huge wave right now. I have another pair of Valentinos with this on as well, but I saw these. These are just the flat sandals. Again, I went for the 37. I don't know why I didn't size up a little bit. Oh no, but these fit perfectly. Okay, these ones fit perfectly and just feel really lovely. Oh, I like those. I like the fact that they're very wide here. The thinner they are, often the more they dig in and they rob and hurt my feet, whereas these actually look quite comfortable. They feel quite robust, you know, I like that word. I feel like I got a little bit more give to them actually than the ancient Greek ones. This is just a leather with the metal V's in it, which again I'm liking because obviously with my name being Victoria, I'm quite enjoying the Valentino V at the moment. I also really want the matching belt to this. It's sold out everywhere. It keeps coming on and off retail sites and I don't manage to get it in time, and I need to keep my eye out better, but I'm gonna get the belt that matches this as well because I think they'll look really cute together. The sandals, I am obsessed with these. I've just paired them with this look, but they fit like a dream. They're so comfortable. So I'm size 37 and these are so great and still like roomy. They just fit really, really, really well. Yeah, these are an absolute must-have keeper in my spring-summer collection this year for sure. Big fan of these. They're amazing. And the last pair of shoes I bought were from Castaner. Castaner? I don't know. But I see these everywhere and I've never bought a pair. And it's just a pair of wedges. It's easy, like sandal for on holiday. Ribbon detailing up the leg. Just a lovely like oatmeal, which is just huge at the moment, like oatmeal brown, beige. Hessian material here through the back. And then the ribbon. But I feel like they could be quite flattering on the foot. These shoes are adorable. So I paired them with this look, so it just kind of felt very like spring, summer. You could just go shopping in this or out with your girls for like, you know, chats and drinks in the summer, that kind of vibe. I actually really, really like this whole look together. So let me know what you guys think. That is the first box. You can now move over here. Oh, these are so cute. Okay, so I do love me a pair of shorts. And I saw these ones from Stella McCartney in this pink. Oh, they're just so cute. It's just like a pair of tailored like suit shorts. I mean, these look amazing with the matching blazer, which is on the site from Stella McCartney. Oh, it does have little side pockets in here. So yeah, you could get the whole matching suit, but I just thought with a cute little camisole or even with a very light roll neck tucked into this and some cute little shoes. I like a more formal short sometimes when you wear it with a more casual piece. I think it looks really quite cute. These are really, really sweet. They fit quite nicely. Probably sized down a little bit in these, I must admit. Probably a 36 would have been better for me. It's very like straight cut and silhouette is really pretty and I love this colour of pink. Ooh, yeah. Okay, so I keep seeing this brand, especially on Mytheresa, and it's kind of like a new sportswear brand called Live the Process. And they do loads of almost like ballet, ballerina kind of sportswear outfits. And it's all really cute and really pretty. And this one is like a ribbed, gorgeous pink ribbed jersey material top for working out. And it's so cute at the back. It's like this and cut away. And then these, you can tie this into a little ribbon at the back. Sometimes I just forget that I don't do ballet anymore and I just want to be a ballerina, quite frankly. So I wanted to get this so I could wear it to my bodyism classes and feel really fancy. These are adorable and I now wish I'd got the matching leggings. These aren't from Mytheresa, but I just thought I'd put something grey on with them to match the colours. But I adore this set. This is so cute. To go with that, they also had this cute little bra. Well, like a sports bra. But this again is in the same kind of gorgeous pink. It feels quite nice actually. Like a really soft. And then it has these bra straps to the back. So it's just really quite sweet and understated. Sometimes I find fitness wear that's more understated and sweet can often look a little bit more refined. So I think that with that will be adorable. So I'm looking forward to trying those on. Love this. This is a keeper. I feel really lovely in this. I really wanted to throw some sportswear in here because at the moment fitness is kind of a massive deal for me. I am trying to get in shape. Like I said, I've started bodyism classes. Absolutely loving that so far. I'm honestly I'm becoming really obsessed with it. The whole like positive vibes and energy whenever you go. I'm a bit addicted to it now. And I'm just trying to get in my best shape for the wedding really and feel super healthy and fit. So sportswear is something that I can't stop looking at online. A little bit obsessed. Then, as you know, I'm kind of into my vegan leathers at the moment. Nanushka, I'm all over. I was going to get a pair of Nanushka trousers in this video and they sold out right before I was able to get them. I was really gutted. However, I did find this pair instead. Like the ones from Nanushka were very similar. This looks like they're going to be too big for me. These were 38. Again, I think I need a 36. But they're really thick vegan leather and they literally feel exactly like leather. That's insane. These aren't leather. I'm actually stunned. These literally feel exactly like leather. I'm gonna have to look online because faux leather. Yeah, they are. They're faux leather. Wow. Okay, well, that's amazing. So, yes, I went for these, but that quality is unbelievable if that's faux leather. So trousers are a little bit too big. They definitely need to be maybe 34 or 36, and I feel then they would just like figure hug me. But overall, like, I'm so impressed with the fabric, the way they feel. They literally feel like the most incredible pair of leather trousers I would ever own, to be honest. They feel amazing, but that's obviously what you get for the price. I love all the extra details, like all the pockets. They just need to be a little bit smaller. Another pair of trousers, and we have, oh, these are amazing. MaxMara, like Prince of Wales check, like houndstooth vibe, just very like slouchy, high-waisted, casual suit pants. Like these would be amazing as workwear, just with like a really cool, even just with a white tee tucked into these and some white trainers would be so cool. I'd wear them more with like beige nude heels or red heels and a gorgeous like pussy bow blouse or a white tee or a black roll neck. Can't wait to try those on. They are awesome. They are me to a T. They feel really lovely. Very lightweight. Oh, they've got the cute little MaxMara M on the buttons. Yeah, love those. I really hope they fit me because they are beautiful. Fit, feel of these. I love that they just feel a little more like almost oversized, almost a bit masculine in the fit and how straight they are. But I think that's what gives them their charm overall. I think with this kind of look, it's very me, kind of quite workwear chic, but you would wear it day and night. Yeah, love them. I found this cute little top, and I wasn't sure about it, but I thought, you know what, I'm just going to order it and see what I think about it. It's quite a fun one, but it's just a little black top. Very different. Straight across the chest. And then this is a mesh sleeve with like printed sequins. The actual sequins like printed. This could look great with a pair of the faux leather trousers or with black shorts or anything a little bit more fitted. So it's a bit of a rogue choice, this one, but I saw it and I was like, that could go either way. I think it could be quite cute, so I'll try it. This top is actually so much prettier on than I even imagined it would be. It's really cute. I love the straight neckline. I think you've got an amazing pair of boobs. This would look so great. Especially with like a little bit of cleavage, it would look so pretty. But even just on me like this, I really like it. I do wish it's a little bit smaller. I think this is a size 2. I think the size 1 may have been a little bit better. But yeah, I actually really love the sleeves. Overall, the style is really quite chic and pretty, but still really fun. So yeah, overall it's quite impressed me. And I really quite like this a lot, actually. I think I'd get a lot of use out of this for a lot of events where I don't know what to wear. This is gorgeous. Okay, this is Zimmermann, which is one of my absolute favourite brands. It's so feminine. They just remind me of holiday, but at the same time I feel you could really dress them up or down a lot of the time. And this is a little blouse. It's in linens. It's been pleated here and it's like polka dot. Very unusual in the shape. It's quite long lined, so you could tuck this in quite nicely into most things, or you could just drape it over the top of something. Like, you never know, this could look quite nice with Stella McCartney shorts just underneath, this draped over the top. But I wanted to give it a try. I love these more like balloon sleeves. The quality feels beautiful on that, like so gorgeous. The blouse, oh, I actually love it. It's a little bit more kind of like over the top and a bit overzealous than I'm used to. But I actually really love the way it fits and the neckline and all of the extra details. I really love it actually. Oh yes! Okay, continuing with my MaxMara adoration. As you know, my MaxMara camel coat is the apple of my eye. I went for this MaxMara jumpsuit that I thought would just be one of those things you can keep in your wardrobe for a day when you just want to wear a gorgeous white jumpsuit. It's one shoulder. MaxMara this season is very much one shoulder, and it just feels like it's in a cottony material, to be honest. Down into a straight leg jumpsuit, and it's got this like tie detail here on the top, almost like a big knot around the top, just for an extra detail, and it zips into the side. Oh, there are no pockets. That is upsetting. Okay, but we can try it. We can try it, see what we think. I rather like that actually. And it also comes with this belt as well. Okay, this is so beautiful. I just feel like nothing is fitting me today. I feel like this part here is great. This part just feels like it's a little bit too big on me. So again, I think I just need to size down. I think in MaxMara, I'm a 34 and I need to just get with the program. And then I think I was just on a bit of a trouser binge when I did this haul. White trousers. These have pockets though. These have pockets. Fastens at the side and they just go down into a wide leg. I think what I was thinking is if the jumpsuit doesn't quite fit me right, then at least the trousers might. And I must admit, I got a pair of white trousers last year and I wore them loads and loads and loads. I didn't realise how much I would actually wear them. I feel like white trousers are so versatile in any wardrobe. The trousers are, these trousers are far too big for me. They're about 2 sizes too big. And I imagine if they were just a bit more fitted like this, they would actually look really, really gorgeous. Cut the legs is really nice, like the high-waisted finish. It's just that they're too big. Oh yes, I remember this. This was so pretty and it really drew me to it. It's a bit different for me. This is from a brand called I never know how to say this. Baum und Footgarten. You'll know the brand name when you see it. And it's this dress. This feels like absolutely beautiful material, you know. It feels super luxurious. Like almost better than some of the other fabrics I'm feeling so far. This pink is really pretty. Do you know, it almost kind of matches my lipstick. This is Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip liner. Pretty much matches. It's belted and it's just a shirt dress. But I really, really liked it on the site. It just looked a little bit different and I don't know, there's something a bit vintage about it that I quite like the look of. But it feels gorgeous. Love this neckline. I like that it's belted with cinch it in. So yeah, I'm looking forward to trying it actually. This is actually really, really sweet. I don't know if it's too feminine for me though. I'll make up my mind if I'm not sure if it suits me or not. But I think the fabric is absolutely beautiful. So I'm just literally looking down here. Fabric is absolutely beautiful. It's a really lovely fit. I love this big belt in the middle. Yeah, I just don't know overall if it's me or not, but I really, really like it. I just want to see this dress with some heels. And again, it would be a good workwear piece if you want to go a bit more bright. And also the cropped sleeves are a really nice feature. I like that as well. I still need to make up my mind, but let me know what you think. And the very last piece was probably the biggest splurge of the whole unboxing. But I saw it and thought, you know what, let's try it on together. And it is this Stella McCartney floral print dress. Been ruffled here through the middle, so it's like stretchy. This reminds me of those dresses. Do you remember, like, how old was that? 17, 18. And these dresses were all the rage, and it was just this fabric extends out, and they were band out dresses in silk. If anyone remembers them, let me know. I had so many, I was obsessed. Anyway, it's like that. And it's really pretty colour though. The colour's gorgeous. And down into this very ruffled bottom. I mean, I love this colour. Straight away, the colour is great. And I like how kind of ditzy print it is. It's perfect for spring. This is beautiful. I love the colour. It's quite a nice fit overall. I feel like there's quite a lot of fabric though, so you do kind of just need to just adjust it a little bit. The fluted sleeves are so feminine and pretty. Yeah, overall it's such a beautiful dress and I feel like you could just eat whatever you like. It wouldn't look too bad in this. Everything of course will be linked down below. What were your favourites? I've still got all these pieces here. So let me know what things you think I should keep and what things maybe didn't suit me at all. On first looks, I am obsessed. I love the ancient Greek sandals, the Valentino sandals, the Stella dress, this Baum und Footgarten dress. I need to learn how to say that. Love that. The MaxMara trousers, Stella McCartney black leather trousers. Do you know what? I love everything so far. So some things might not fit me. Let's just see, because I need to send quite a lot of this back, hopefully. But I just wanted to do a full discovery of the things on Mytheresa at the moment that I was like, yes, I love that. So hopefully it's been somewhat inspiring for any of you guys. Even if you don't buy these pieces, hopefully it might have inspired just a new trend or a new style that you might want to just give a go. But thank you so much to Mytheresa for working with me on this. It is a dream project for me and hopefully you guys enjoyed it too. I will be back really soon. Next week I've got 2 videos coming your way. If you are brand new here, I would love it if you subscribed. Just click the little subscribe button down below. But everyone else, I will see you all again soon and thank you for being here. Mwah!